everyone. Hello to everybody. It's time to have some fun. Today, we're going to read this book. It's called Be a Maker by Katey Howes, illustrated by Elizabeth Vukovic. Be a maker. What does that mean? What's a maker? Well, a maker is someone who makes things. And I know a lot of kids who make things. They make things with blocks. What else? With Play-Doh. So many things. But let's see what happens in this book. Be a maker. Oh, look, there's Legos here. Let's see. Oh. I see a little girl in her bed. Ask yourself this question in the morning when you wake. In a world of possibilities, today, what will you make? What could you make today? Page. Make a tower, make it tall. Make it balance, wobble, fall. Make a mess, or make instead a universe inside your head. I wonder what she's thinking. What are you thinking about making? Make a rhythm, drum and pound. Ears make out another sound. So how could we make a rhythm? I see pots and pans and wooden spoons. I wonder if you could do that. Make a telescope from toys. What did she make the telescope from? There's a cup on the end. And maybe a paper towel tube? She's used her Legos and her blocks. I wonder what she sees through her telescope. I see a little tiny spider. That must look neat through her telescope. See what's making all that noise. She must be looking out her window. Make a blueprint, make some more. Cover desk and wall and floor. What's a blueprint? A blueprint is a plan. So if you want to build something, you might want to draw the plan for it first, and that's called a blueprint. See? She's drawing all kinds of plans for things that she might want to make. Oh, she has a cardboard box. Make your way to play outside. She's making a spaceship. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! She's got away in her spaceship. Now, I have a cardboard box right here. What could I make out of it? Do you have any ideas? Maybe you have a box at home and you could make something out of it. In the book they made a spaceship. What would you make? If you make something at home out of a box, I'd love to know about it. Guess what? I have a fun song that we can sing together about boxes. Here's how it goes. There's someone at the door. I hear knocks. I open up the door. I see a box. I open up the box. But the box is full of socks. I didn't want a box full of socks. Whose sock is this? Any ideas?
My feet are so cold. Can I have my socks back, please?
There's someone at the door. I hear knocks. I open up the door. I see a box. I open up the box, and the box is full of blocks. I really want a box full of blocks. There's someone at the door. I hear knocks. I open up the door. I see a box. I open up the box. But the box is full of rocks. I didn't want a box full of rocks. There's someone at the door. I hear knocks. I open up the door. I see a box. I open up the box. The box is full of clocks. I guess I'll know what time it is. I wasn't expecting a box full of clocks. So friends, we have been talking about making things, and I've got a fantastic book with lots of ideas for things we can make. It's called Don't Lose It, Reuse It by Nancy Noel Williams. So this talks about finding things that maybe you were going to throw out and reusing them. So let's see what ideas they have. Oh, I see a box. Remember, we could make a lot of things with a box. Don't lose it, reuse it. Every day, we throw things away. But before you toss something into the trash, stop. Think. Recycle. Ask yourself, how can I reuse this? What can you make with cardboard tubes? Make a telescope or play on your horn. Let's see. Doo-doo-doo-doo. That makes a good horn. I see you. How fun is that? Make a tunnel for your race car. Cut some tubes in half. Decorate each one to make napkin rings. I bet there's other things you can think of too. Decorate some tubes and boxes to make your very own robot. That is a cool idea. What can you do with old buttons and beads? String beads together to hang in your room. See how long you can make the string. Gather some pine cones. Glue colorful buttons on them to make decorations. That would be fun. What can you do with big and small boxes? Put a gift in a box. You can decorate some paper, then wrap up the box. Make a tower by piling the boxes up. Wow, that is so big! That would be fun. What can you do with really big boxes? Cut out windows and make your own playhouse. If you have a marker and a box, you can make your own race car. Zoom, zoom. That would be a blast. What can you make with paper bags? Don't throw away that lunch bag. Draw a funny face on a paper bag. You've made a hand puppet. Look, I made one. Let's see.
Hello, friends. It sure is fun to make puppets.
I think you guys could do that too. Make a larger puppet with a grocery bag. have a puppet show. Oh, that would be so fun. What can you make with old newspapers? Fold the newspapers into boats. Make some hats to wear. How do you like my hat? You could make one of these. It's easy and fun. Just out of newspapers. What can you do with old clothes? Use hats, shoes, and old jewelry to make a costume. You can change your voice and your name. Become a new character. Grab some kitchen things and have a parade. An old shirt makes a great paint smock. So many things you can do with old clothes. What can you do with sticks and sponges? Make your own group of wacky stick people. Aren't they silly? Make a painting with sponges. What can you make with empty bottles and cans? Ooh, they made a bird feeder out of this bottle, and you can fill cans with dirt and plant flower or vegetable seeds. We talked about gardening before. You can use cans for gardening. Water the seeds and watch them grow. Keep your pencils organized in an empty can. Lots of things you could do with cans. What can you make with socks? Find some buttons and thread for eyes. Sew some yarn on for hair. You've made a sock puppet. Look, I made one. And guess what? I only had a marker and some ribbon. Let's see what he might sound like.
Well, hello, everybody. Do you like my curly hair? Do you want to play? I just love to play.
Puppets are so fun. And you can have a whole puppet show with your lunch bag puppets and your sock puppet. If I give each puppet a different voice, oh, that's so fun.
Hello, do you want to play?
Well, hello there. I would love to play.
What do you want to play?
Oh, let's see. Want to play Ring Around the Rosie?
Sure, I love that. I love the part when they all fall down.
Puppets are fun. And you can make so many things. You can write a story and act it out. Don't lose your chance to make something new the next time you pick up some trash. Take a good look. Then remember, don't lose it. Reuse it. What are you going to make today? Goodbye to everybody. Goodbye to everyone. Goodbye to everybody. I hope you had some fun. So thanks for joining me, everybody. We had so much fun making things today. I hope you'll make a lot of things yourself. Have a great day.